In this video, I will explain what a tsunami is and how it forms. You will also learn how tsunamis spread and which areas are particularly at risk. A tsunami is a large wave that is generated by powerful underwater earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. These waves can reach very high speeds and possess immense destructive power. They differ from regular waves in that they do not only affect the surface of the water, but the entire ocean. Tsunamis can travel over long distances and suddenly strike the coastlines. The main cause of tsunamis is strong earthquakes beneath the ocean. When tectonic plates shift, it can result in a sudden uplift or sinking of the seafloor. This change displaces a large amount of water, which then spreads out as a wave. Volcanic eruptions or underwater landslides can also trigger tsunamis. A tsunami moves at very high speeds across the ocean. In deep water, the wave is typically only a few inches high and is not immediately visible. As the wave approaches the coast, it slows down and increases in height. In shallow water, the wave can eventually grow into a massive wall that crashes onto the coastline with tremendous force. The greatest danger of a tsunami is the destructive power that accompanies its arrival. The waves can destroy buildings, sweep away people, and reshape entire landscapes. Flooding often occurs, rendering large areas uninhabitable. The subsequent surge can also cause significant damage. Tsunamis commonly occur in areas adjacent to tectonically active zones. Coastal regions in the Pacific, such as Japan or Indonesia, are particularly at risk. There are also many high-risk areas along the Indian Ocean, as earthquakes frequently occur there as well. In contrast, regions in the Atlantic are less affected, as strong earthquakes are rarer there. To prevent the destruction caused by tsunamis, early warning systems have been developed that can detect the formation of tsunamis. These systems monitor earthquakes and sea level changes that may indicate the onset of a tsunami. Once a warning is issued, affected areas can be evacuated in time. However, there are still challenges in accurately predicting tsunami wave heights. Climate change could potentially impact the frequency and intensity of tsunamis in the future. Rising sea levels might increase the destructive power of the waves, as they would have a more significant impact when they hit already high coastal areas. Stronger storms could also affect tsunamis, as they might alter conditions for underwater earthquakes. These potential consequences are still being studied by experts. In many at-risk areas, tsunami protection measures have been implemented. These include building seawalls and creating evacuation routes. Public education also plays an essential role in ensuring a swift and safe response in the event of a tsunami. Another crucial step is the continuous improvement of early warning systems.